Have you ever thought about earning money through Fiverr affiliate marketing? If not, you might want to consider it. This video is going to be your step-by-step guide to understanding and getting started with this exciting opportunity. Fiverr, as many of you may know, is a platform that connects freelancers with clients. Now, what if I told you that you could earn a commission just by promoting this platform? That's what Fiverr affiliate marketing is all about. To start with the process, the first step is to sign up for the Fiverr affiliate program. It's a straightforward process and anyone can join. After you're accepted into the program, Fiverr will provide you with a unique affiliate link. This link is your key to earning a commission. Whenever someone clicks on your link and makes a purchase on Fiverr, you get a slice of the pie. It's as simple as that. Now, you might be wondering, how do I promote Fiverr effectively? Well, there are a plethora of ways. You could create a blog post reviewing Fiverr's services, or perhaps make a YouTube video explaining how Fiverr works. You could even share your link on social media. The more creative you are, the better your chances of success. As for potential earnings, Fiverr offers a very competitive commission rate. Depending on the service purchased, you could earn anywhere from $5 to $150 per sale. That's quite a range. But is Fiverr affiliate marketing suitable for everyone? Well, while anyone can join the program, it does require a certain level of commitment and marketing skills. However, don't let that deter you. With patience and persistence, anyone can succeed in this endeavor. To wrap up, here are some quick tips for success. First, always be transparent and disclose your affiliate status. It's not just ethical, but it also builds trust with your audience. Second, focus on providing value to your audience rather than just selling. And third, be patient. Affiliate marketing is a marathon, not a sprint. So, are you ready to embark on your Fiverr affiliate marketing journey? If you are, there's no better time to start than now. Check out the link in the video description for more information and get started today. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video informative, remember to give it a thumbs up. It goes a long way in supporting the channel. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more valuable insights on online opportunities. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning,